Please, are there any humans around here who know how to tattoo?
Tattooing, the AI-proof career for 2026 and beyond. AI is fast, but tattooing stays human, local, and trusted. AI continues reshaping screen-based work, reducing many entry-level digital roles. That reality pushes a practical question. Which careers stay resilient as automation grows? Tattooing stands apart. It is a skilled, hands-on trade built on human trust, physical execution, and accountability. This is not a shortcut profession. It requires training, discipline, and real responsibility. Why many safe careers feel less safe in 2026. AI thrives in predictable digital environments. Tasks like junior writing, basic design, simple coding, customer support, data entry, and bookkeeping are increasingly automated. While jobs rarely vanish overnight, fewer junior roles are needed. Careers grounded in physical skill, judgment, and human interaction face a very different automation risk profile. What makes a career AI-proof and where tattooing fits? An AI-proof career resists automation because it requires skilled physical work, human trust, taste, and accountability. Tattooing checks every box. AI may assist with ideas or references, but it cannot replace consultation, placement judgment, execution on skin, or aftercare guidance. Why tattooing stays human? Tattooing happens on living skin, not a digital canvas. Artists must adapt to anatomy, movement, and healing. Placement decisions, sanitation discipline, and client communication demand experience and human judgment. Beyond technique, tattoo artists manage emotions, expectations, and trust. Skill develops through repetition, feedback, and time, not software. AI will influence tattooing, not replace it. AI can support reference generation, style exploration, and early concept development. The tattoo process itself remains fundamentally human. Ethical practice, originality, and professional standards remain essential. Build an AI-proof future with Become a Tattoo Artist. Tattooing remains a creative, hands-on profession grounded in craftsmanship and human connection. Become a Tattoo Artist provides structured, mentor-guided training through a traditional tattoo apprenticeship designed for long-term professional development. Apprentices train inside real studios, build practical skills, and develop the confidence required for professional work. A career path with real stability. Graduates of Ink Difference Tattoo Apprenticeship receive a guaranteed job offer. This removes uncertainty and allows apprentices to focus fully on mastering their craft, advancing through Master Mentorship. For artists seeking deeper growth, Master Mentorship offers immersive in-person training with established industry leaders. This program sharpens technique, style, and professional development. Tattoo training that speaks your comfort language. Language-friendly training is available in select locations, including Spanish-speaking support. Clear communication strengthens learning, mentorship, and client interaction. Secure your future with a truly human craft. AI continues transforming digital work. Tattooing remains rooted in skilled hands, judgment, creativity, and responsibility. Qualities technology cannot replace. If you're serious about becoming a professional tattoo artist, email or call us today